Hi everyone, Pascal from StruSoft here. Today I'm going to show you the next step of the week. I want to show you how you can load and unload your trucks, plus actual delivery time. Um, Loading trucks I will do in Impact Project Manager, and the rest I actually want to do in Impact Go. So let's go. So here is my beautiful building I need to deliver, and I already planned these elements in my stack planning. So here you can see that my those two stacks, they actually ready for delivery, but I didn't make a transfer planning. So what I'm going to do is make this transfer planning with the auto transport. um, And now you can see that those dates, it's first about a week. So that's not right. So what I'm going to do is here under auto transport options, I want to set it like half hour, use element dates, and I want to take the truck. Let's see, there are 150 kilometers. Okay. So let's see. Auto transport done. I got transport number 3 and 4, and here in my transport planning, you can see I got those two um, transports here. Let's make a bigger screen just to getting a little bit easy. What we can see here is the load date, etc. Um, but I'm going to this side here. I got this new field here, loading duration and unloading duration, and I got the actual delivery time and date. So what I'm going to do is send some lists to my uh, truck driver. So let's say I'm now truck driver and I got those two lists, and I actually want to start my iPhone. Oh, yeah. So what I'm going to do here is I got these notes. What I can do here is with my Impact Go app is select this QR code there, transport 338, like you can see here. That's great. I will select everything, and I want to set it like on Waybill just to show you how it works. And I used actually one, no, 0.2 in time there. So let's see what's happened in Impact React Manager now. Refresh. Here you can see the status, it's changed to on Waybill. And here you also can see the loading duration. So that's actually great. So what's happening now? I am at the building site with my elements here. So what I'm going to do is the same. Select the elements, and I'm changing the transport status. I first need to actually delivering time. So let's say it is 11 o'clock there, and delivered set, and that's great. I don't need to do anything more. Now I want to look here in transport planning, refresh it, and here the status is delivered. So here in Project Manager, what's happened here, as you can see, that the actual delivery date is 21 March 11 a.m. 00. So let's do it one more time for the other. So scan my builder, select all the elements, and now do the unloading duration. Oh, let's take 1 hour there. Time. Let's do it a little bit later. Save. Delivery. Delivered. Set. Great. So let's stop my screen there. So back here in my transfer planning, they are both delivered. I got my actual delivery date, and you can see there are 4 hours between there. So actually, that was it for now, and I hope I helped you a little bit. Thank you. Bye.